I have a Rheem Classic model RAKA 048 Jazz Central AC unit. Unit fan wouldn't come on. I pulled the outside fuse, checked condensate drain, pulled cover off to check contactor and capacitor. Replaced the fuse and now the fan and condenser work but won't turn off. What's up?
Hello. My name is. I'll do my best to help. Let's get started and see what we can do. Are the contactors releasing in the condenser when you turn thermostat off?
It appears to pop up when I turn the thermostat off.
If contactor is releasing, fan and compressor should go off. Do you have a voltmeter so we can do some troubleshooting?
I don't have one here. Any way I can continue without one?
Can you attach a photo of the contactors and wiring to contactors? Also try bumping the side POF cabinet to make sure contactors are not partially skacking. You can also come back to question later if you need to get the meter.
I checked the contactor again with thermostat on then off. It doesn't appear to move. I found a voltmeter.
Okay, with thermostat off, let's see if we are getting 24V to connector coil and 230 in and out of contactor. If so, disconnect one of the 24V coil wires and see if it will go off. We should have 24V on call for cool but not with thermostat off.
Analog voltmeter is dead. This just gets better and better. Is it safe to leave the fan and compressor running?
It is, as long as the indoor stays running. If temp in hose gets below about 60 degrees though, I would cut it off so it does not ice up. In-house, not hose.
Sorry for the delay, had to go get a voltmeter that works. I'm getting the 230 but getting nothing where I should be reading 24.
Okay, now with thermostat off we should not be getting the 24 volts at the coil on contactors. If we have 230 both in and out of contactors with no 24V to coil, the contactors are nerned and stuck, so they will need to be replaced. You can get a set of 24 230 volt 30V contactors for about $15 at any appliance parts store. Burned.
Sounds right. When I pull one of the two contactor coil connections, the contactor looks and sounds like it's trying. You think the capacitor is good though?
Yes, if compressor and fan come on, replace those contactors. Bonuses are always appreciated. Your expert is not paid for assisting you until you leave rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.